Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you why is my WorldRemit not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Some of the common reasons WorldRemit might not be working are internet or app or browser issues. If the app or website isn't loading, crashing, or showing errors, make sure you are on the latest version of the WorldRemit app. So to do it, simply head over to your app store, then on the search bar, simply type in WorldRemit. Then once your search result loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. You can also simply try closing and reopening the app or logging out and back in as well. If you're using a browser, use Google Chrome. It's recommended WorldRemit and enable cookies. Then you can also clear cache and cookies on the browser app cache, and sometimes the problem is just a temporary glitch that fixes with a refresh. The next is internet or network problems. Where or unstable internet can make WorldRemit fail. So what you can do is simply drop down your control center, then try switching it from the Wi-Fi to your data, and then turn off VPNs or network restrictions and make sure your connection is strong and stable. Then third is transaction errors or failures. If you can log in but sending or tracking money isn't working, then what you can do is check incorrect information like name, recipient details, bank info can also cause fails in the transfer, so always double check it. Exceed limits. Some accounts have sending limits until fully verified as well. To check that as well. Insufficient funds or blocked payment method. Your card or bank account might be declined. And temporary issues with the partner banks or payout methods. Some delays are WorldRemit's fault and may take time to resolve. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.